About this item, internal HD mini SAS cable is specifically designed to connect a 12 Gbps host bus adapter or RAID controller with SFF-8643 to 4 discrete SATA drives. Mini SAS HD to SATA adapter cable provides reliable internal connectivity between a high-density RAID controller card and direct attached storage devices with a SATA plug. Hybrid high-density SAS to SATA with a 36-pin SFF-8643 connector and 4x7-pin SATA connectors provides both 3 Gbps and 6 Gbps compatibility while migrating to A2. 12 Gbps storage area. Network system forward fan-out cable has an internal SFF-8643 host HD mini SAS 36-pin connector and 4x SATA 7-pin target drive connectors. 4 discrete SATA fan-out drive cables are of equal length with stainless steel latches to provide a secure connection. Multi-lane 8643 to SATA cable with 4 channels can drive 4 SATA drives. Supports multiple lanes of high-speed SATA traffic over a single cable. SFF-8643 compatible with the Adaptec RAID 71505/7895 storage. Controller's flexible design of HDMSA's breakout cable includes acetate cloth tape over slim ribbon cables for strain relief to protect cables without rigidity. Woven mesh sheath covers half of the cable for easy routing. P1 to P4 markers provide easy ID after installation. Low-profile SATA connectors have easy grip treads with stainless steel latches to prevent accidental disconnection and reduce vibration. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About